What's up everyone, this is your Russian Sidekick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the best puff pastry cones that we call Trubochki. This is kind of a classic Russian treat that I remember from the childhood because it's just puff pastry is just super tender, and we're using this white cream out of egg whites, and I have a video how to make it on my channel. If you want to check it out, check this video here. And it's super easy, super fast, and super tasty. You will love it. Let's jump into it. Alright guys, to make these Trubochki or cones, you will need to grab the puff pastry sheets. You would need to grab puff pastry sheets from your local store. I'm using Pepperidge Farm. If you're located in Rexburg, I found these in the Albertsons. I couldn't find these in Walmart in my hometown, but maybe you would be more lucky and you will find it in your Walmart, or I don't know which store you prefer. But yeah, we're gonna need these. We're gonna use both of it. Then I have these cones. I grabbed it from Amazon. I'm gonna use them. You can buy them from Amazon. I will leave a comment in the description. I will leave a link in the description how to find them, or you can make your own. I make from a paper. It's a thicker paper, and it's just foil. I made like just 4 out of 1 sheet of paper here. I made 4, so you can get creative and make your own, or you can just buy it. It's not that expensive. It's only $12 for 12 cones. You need a pizza knife and a rolling pin. That's all we need. Let's start working with the dough. So we're gonna take one sheet and just open it. I left it melted down on the kitchen for 40 minutes, how they suggest you. And we're just gonna roll it a little bit. I'm not gonna use a lot of flour on this silicone pad because it has flour on it already, but the dough, and it's not gonna be that sticky. It's still cold, so we're just gonna roll it. Then I'm gonna grab my pizza knife and just cut it to the lines. Yeah, usually I make about 11 or 12 pieces here. Next is super easy. You just grab one mold, and then you just do a spiral like this. And I really like to grab this end and just put inside, because when we're gonna send it to the oven, they're gonna slide out from this end, and this is gonna prevent it a little bit. So then we just drop it on a baking sheet. One important thing, guys, when you put them together, make sure it has enough overlap space here, as you can see, because if you can go like smaller like this, but when the pastry gonna grow, you have a chance that it's gonna just slide out, and you will have like a hole between the spirals here. So make sure you do a really good overlap here. So you put it on a tray, and then you send it to the oven, 400 Fahrenheit preheat for 15 minutes. I usually send it for 10, and then after my timer goes on, I just check it and leave it there for 1 or 2 minutes. just until they golden and beautiful and nice. You will see the difference. You will know when it's ready. So let's send them to the oven, and then I'll show you how they look like in the end after they're baked. They're done. They're still hot, so you have to be really careful to pulling them off from the mold. This is one that I made, and you can see that it worked good. It just as I expected. You can try to move it a little bit, then pull it out. And actually this one is not as hot as the metal one because it's just a paper and foil. These ones that I bought from Amazon, they're a little bit harder, so just be careful, don't squish them too hard. And they have different shape, of course, because I made those. Someone else made these ones. We're gonna do the same with the second pastry sheet. And then I'm gonna show you what to do next. So this is how they look like. And I had it for 12 minutes in the oven. You can see it's a little bit darker here, but it's not gonna affect the taste of it. Right guys, let me show you something that I probably have to mention before, but I forgot. When you put them down, make sure that you put this end down, because I didn't pay attention, and this only one cone I actually put up, so you can see it got this wing, and it's not really nice. I don't think. If you like it, you can do this for purpose, but I don't. So yeah, I got my second sheet done. So I got my cones there. I'm gonna use my favorite canvas decorating bag or piping bag, whatever you prefer. You can call it whatever you like. With the open star piping tip, and I made a meringue cream, and you can find this recipe on my channel. So I'm just gonna grab one cone at a time and put some cream like this, and then put it back here. And I'm gonna do the same with all of them. You have to make sure that it goes all the way, because you don't want the ends be too empty. This is it, guys. So you fill them with this cream, or you can use a filling of your choice. Actually, yes, I saw someone was filling them with beef, like ground beef and mushrooms. You can get any filling of your choice, but that's how we make them. And then we're just gonna drop some powdered sugar on the top. So this is how you make them, guys. It's super easy. You can find this pastry paper each farm in your local store. You can buy cone molds at Amazon. It's super cheap. You can find it about $10 or $12 for a set of 12 that I have. I will leave a link in the description so you can find it faster, or you can make it yourself just using some thick paper and foil. Alright guys, if you really enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, leave all the questions in the comments below, or you can actually leave in the comments below something you would like to learn how to make from Russian cousin, and I will make a video about it. And smash that like button. I really appreciate your support, and good luck with Trubochki. Have fun, and I'll see you.